Do you ever feel rushed, stressed, or unfocused in the mornings? If so, you're not alone. Many of us struggle to make time for self-care as we dive headfirst into our busy days. But what if I told you that just 15 minutes of yoga in the morning could transform your entire day? In this article, we'll explore a quick and effective yoga routine designed specifically for beginners. Whether you're new to yoga or just looking for an easy way to start your day feeling energized and calm, this routine is perfect for you. Why morning yoga? It's no secret that mornings set the tone for the rest of your day. However, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos, hitting the snooze button, skipping breakfast, or rushing out the door. Taking just a few minutes for yourself in the morning can make all the difference. Yoga is a powerful way to 1. Boost your energy levels. 2. Improve focus and concentration. 3. Reduce stress and tension. 4. Enhance overall well-being. By incorporating a simple yoga practice into your morning routine, you can start your day feeling centered, balanced, and ready to take on anything. My journey to morning yoga, I'll admit, I used to be the kind of person who rolled out of bed and jumped straight into my to-do list. Mornings felt hectic, and I often carried that stress throughout the day. But everything changed when I committed to just 15 minutes of yoga each morning. Since starting this routine, I've noticed 1. Increased alertness and focus. 2. A sense of calm that lasts all day. 3. Improved physical flexibility and strength. Now, it's your turn to experience these benefits. 15-minute yoga routine for beginners. This routine is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly. You don't need any special equipment, just a quiet space and an open mind. 1. Gentle stretches, 2 minutes. Begin by waking up your body with light stretches. Reach your arms overhead, take a deep breath in, and exhale as you gently fold forward. Feel the tension melt away. 2. Cat-cow pose, 2 minutes. Move to your hands and knees and flow between cat and cow poses. This gentle movement warms up your spine and improves mobility. 3. Downward dog, 2 minutes. Press into downward dog, feeling a stretch in your hamstrings and back. Don't worry if your heels don't touch the floor, just focus on elongating your spine. 4. Child's pose, 1 minute. Take a moment to rest in child's pose. This relaxing position allows you to reconnect with your breath and center yourself. 5. Warrior 2, 3 minutes. Step into Warrior 2 to strengthen your legs and improve balance. Feel the power in your stance as you hold this foundational pose. 6. Tree pose, 2 minutes. Challenge your balance with tree pose. Stand tall and place one foot against your opposite thigh or calf. It's okay to wobble, practice makes perfect. 7. Seated forward bend, 2 minutes. End with a calming seated forward bend to stretch your lower back and hamstrings. Take slow, deep breaths as you relax into the pose. The power of deep breathing as you move through each pose. Focus on your breath. Deep, steady breathing helps you stay present and amplifies the calming effects of yoga. With each inhale, imagine fresh energy filling your body. With each exhale, release any stress or tension. Reflect and recharge after completing the routine. Take a moment to reflect. How do you feel? Energized? Relaxed? More centered? This is the beauty of yoga. It nourishes not just your body but also your mind and spirit. Make it a habit. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of yoga. Start small by committing to this 15-minute routine a few times a week, and gradually make it a daily practice. Every step you take towards self-care is a step toward a healthier, happier you. Let's stay connected. I hope you enjoyed this beginner-friendly yoga routine. If you tried it, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments. Don't forget to check out more of my yoga tips and routines for beginners. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Namaste, and here's to starting your mornings with calm, clarity, and confidence.